I'm back, and I'm 11. I was freaking 10 at the time when I started recording. So I used Bandicam. I'm still using just like free recorders because I'm too poor to afford anything. Anyways, we're just going to be doing some challenges. I don't know why I'm doing stuff I already did. Sigh. Yeah. I don't think I did this. E. Alright. Oddly, this sounds like Betrayal of Fate. Straight fly is my weakness. I can't straight fly for anything. My God. I was about to celebrate too. It's freaking... Ugh. I disgust myself. Yeah, this is quote-unquote easy. Let's do some ones that I actually haven't completed. Oh. Challenge 23. That means there's 22 others. Surprising. Sorry if you can't hear the music. Ugh. It's 8-0 though. Ugh. So stressful. Everything just... Ugh. If only I could pass that. Ooh! I swear if I died right there, I was crying. I'm eating because I'm fat. Oh, it's wave. Oh, I can't read apparently. It said wave. %74%. Ugh. Oh. Oh, this wave has to be perfect. Mm, 74 again. GG, brother. My soul's turk. Oh God. What's this? Oh. Hit or miss. Oh, I see no miss, huh? Whoo! This game's trash. There's no way you can do this. Maybe there is, but I'm just not that good. I can't get up there. Oh! Okay. Makes it even worse now. It's stereo madness, so I'm glad you guys can't hear the music. Ow! Hurts. I can't get it. Oh, it's freaking. Oh! I had it there. I had it there. Ah. Oh, I could just stay on the top and then. Oh! That makes it 10 times easier, doesn't it? What? Sound like a freaking duck. Quack. I'm so freaking bad. Wait. Ah. 2 hours later, am I right? Oh, you what? Ooh. No. Next level. Challenge of Colors. All I've ever wanted remix. Oh shoot, this is an actual level. Is it? Probably not. Ah, epilepsy warning. I'm not speed hacking. What the freak? Oh! And that's why you can't make your games laggy. 'Cause I can, quote unquote, speed hack it. The screen recorder is probably making it like super bad. Epilepsy, by the way. I'm literally trying to look away, but trying to stay focused on the game. Because this hurts my eyes, like, badly. Ooh. They made it more laggy just for me to speed hack it again. Ooh! I just like seeing my life crumble into pieces. Like, it's the most fun thing ever. About to say funnest. Type down in the comments what do you think the past tense of fold is instead of folded. Like make a word for that, like felled or something. Ah! What? Hold on, I'm gonna practice this. I just ran through it in practice mode. I just figured out that it was the easiest level ever. It's just that I was spamming for fun. So, it's making the level a little bit more hard for me, my brother. I don't even know what the freak that accent was. It was like Russian French. 60 hertz straight fly god, by the way. I'm not that good at straight flying, not gonna lie. This is, yeah. Ah. Oh my god! Why did I do that? Ugh. Anyways, that was the end of the video. I'm not continuing on with this. It's already cringy enough. Why would I make it even more cringy? Yeah. Hope you have a great day. Forgot to open my chest, which I probably should do every, beginning of the video. Alright, anyways, have a great time doing whatever you're doing. You're staying home. Good for you. Bye.